India's scientific legacy shines bright. Think C.V. Raman's breakthrough on light or Homi J. Bhabha's nuclear vision. But for years, that spark struggled to ignite a modern revolution. Since 2014, the Modi government has set out to change that, rolling out bold programs to nurture the next generation of scientists, from curious school kids to cutting-edge researchers. So, how's it working? Let's explore. Start with the Atal Innovation Mission, or AIM, launched in 2015. It's named after Atal Bihari Vajpayee and kicks off with Atal Tinkering Labs, spaces where students as young as 6th graders get hands-on with tech. Picture this, over 10,000 labs by 2025, buzzing with kids building solar gadgets or water purifiers. The goal? Spark 1 million innovators. Narendra Modi summed it up in 2019. There are no failures in science, only efforts, experiments and success.
साइंस में फेलियर नहीं होते हैं, सिर्फ और सिर्फ एफर्ट्स होते हैं, एक्सपेरिमेंट्स होते हैं और आखिर में सक्सेस होती है.
AIM's betting on curiosity as the fuel for discovery. It's not just talk. Kids from these labs are solving real problems, like affordable irrigation tools, showing creativity with impact. AIM doesn't stop there. It stretches to colleges and startups through Atal Incubation Centers, turning bright ideas into businesses. With a 2,750 crore boost approved in 2024, it's locked in till 2028. Modi's vision? A science ecosystem that inspires for generations. Next up, Inspire. Innovation in science pursuit for inspired research. Expanded under Modi, it hooks students from age 10 to 32. For younger kids, it's 5,000 rupees awards and science camps. Undergrads get 80,000 rupees yearly scholarships. 12,000 of them. PhD hopefuls snag research fellowships. Over 1 million students have tapped in with 100,000 scholarships yearly. Modi tied it to India's startup boom in his 2023 Independence Day speech. Tinkering labs are inspiring millions to chase science. The Prime Minister's scholarship scheme hands out 2,500 rupees monthly to boys and 3,000 rupees to girls in technical fields. 5,500 awards a year. Other schemes like AICTE, AURA toss rupees 2 lakh to researchers. The numbers tell a story. By 2022, 10 million students, over 25 of them of higher education, pick STEM. Women are at 43%, a stat. Modi bragged about it in 2023. Enrollment of girls in science, technology, engineering and maths in India is at 43% today, more than in countries like America, the UK and Germany.
भारत में साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी, इंजीनियरिंग और मैथ्स में लड़कियों का एनरोलमेंट आज 43% तक पहुंच चुका है और ये समृद्ध देश, विकसित देश, अमेरिका हो, यूके हो, जर्मनी हो, इन सबसे भी ज्यादा है.
Patents jumped from 9,000 in 2014 to 23,000 in 2022. But research spending stuck at 0.65% of the GDP, way behind China's 2.4%. There's progress, but the gap's real. The long game's ambitious. The National Research Foundation, launched in 2023, promises $6 billion for R&D, though it's off to a slow start with $30.9 million. Add frontier missions like AI Quantum, tech, space flights like Gaganyaan, and India's aiming high. So does it add up? Tinkering labs spark ideas, inspire and scholarships open doors. Success stories like small-town kids winning global science fairs are popping up. But challenges linger: uneven funding, spotty execution and a brain drain. 30% of IIT grads still leave. The seeds are planted. Time will tell if they bloom.